Tarantino Champion, Alright guys, I've been looking for what is called Oboke, Olwedo. Something that the Catholic Church have even adopted for giving blessing in the church. Still searching for Olwedo. Oh, this is a plant of Olwedo. Look at how beautiful it is. This is what is called Olwedo in Acholi. Yes, botanical name is the one that I've put in the title or the English name. There we are. Look at this, the leaves. So nice. Amazing, just the way it is. So, Olwedo is very significant in Acholi culture. This plant here, the leaves, is used for blessing in very many forms that are unimaginable. So this is the plant. First of all, let me say, as you subscribe, may Oboke bless you, may the ancestors of Acholi bless you. So now, this one, it is especially the elders who are qualified to give blessings to the people here. If you are not a elder, in Acholi culture, the belief is what is called la or saliva, but it is not directly translated like that. It's the one which is spitted together with Olwedo and some water to give a blessing. Of course, water is a sign of cleansing, blessing. Even those of Jesus in the Jewish culture used Olwedo. The same thing in Acholi culture. We also use the Olwedo for blessing. There are a number of circumstances under which a person may be blessed with Olwedo. For example, when you're traveling, they can give you journey mercy with Olwedo. When you are going for marriage, they can give you blessing. When you are a politician and you're contesting, you can also be given blessing using the Olwedo. And there are a number of circumstances. Even in education, kids can be blessed with Olwedo to perform well in the exams. So this is a very significant plant that actually use it. Now, what has happened is the song I've been playing in the background. You realize that most of the Acholi people are neglecting their culture. Actually, right now, as I talk, there are some people who might even be criticizing me. That why is this guy still talking about the culture stuff? The culture stuff is very conservative. Why is he talking about the culture and the rest? But I tell you what, the culture is very important, man. One of the things is this Olwedo here has been adopted by the Catholic Church. You realize that when the Catholic priests are spreading this holy water, the cold one, to the people, they dip the leaves of Olwedo in them and spread it. Not any other ordinary leaf. It is Olwedo which is used. Not any other ordinary leaf. They don't pick the leaves of the mangoes, the leaf of the pineapple, apple, or what, but it is a leaf of this Olwedo. And also, during the time for laying a dead person into the grave, still Olwedo is used to give a final blessing when sending of the person who has passed away. Olwedo is still applied to send of the person to the final resting place. So I know a number of you who have grown up from abroad. Some of you are Acholi, some of you are Africans, some of you are indigenous in the abroad, like United Kingdom, United States, and you don't know this kind of things. But now you know. I cannot tell you how it is used, but I've told you what it is used for. How it is used is only for the elders to describe to the people. Everybody who stays in Acholi knows this. One way just say this in Acholi language. And most of the homesteads never used to cut down a plant of Olwedo completely. People used to leave Olwedo, at least a plant of Olwedo in the compound or near the compound, so that when you want to use it, you don't have to look for it, you don't have to hunt for it. But now with the urbanization and what the so-called civilization has changed a lot of things, that even people who used to value this culture are cutting down these things anyhow. It's very unfortunate. This is one of the natural plants. This is not a compound, by the way. I'm near my garden, and it's a nice thing. This garden here, I harvested sunflower from it, and these are my chicken. You see them, you can look at them. They may even run away. This is the beauty of Africa. Look. Yeah. So that is all about Olwedo. Very important plant, especially the leaf part of it. It is not planted, it just naturally grows, and there is no taking care of it. Nobody waters it, nobody weeds it. It is resistant to weeds, it is resistant to droughts, it is tolerant to harsh conditions like trampling. It is tolerant to diseases. I don't even think diseases can touch Olwedo, because first of all, it is already blessed. So I don't think the diseases can even touch it. So now, I would like to tell you that if you have not yet subscribed, there's nothing which is holding us back. We will continue giving you this more and more. May you subscribe to this YouTube channel. As I say, nice time from the sun side.